Great, Nipur.
Hi.
Hi, sir. Sir, we heard that journalist Arnab Goswami has recently gotten bail from the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the 2018 amendment to suicide case against them.
Hmm.
Could you please help us understand exactly what the case is all about and what the Honorable Supreme Court held?
Yes. So actually, just to correct you, Arnab Goswami got not the bail exactly, but Arnab Goswami was released in an illegal matter where in 2018 there was an FIR which was registered in Maharashtra, and that FIR pertains to the abetment to suicide. Okay. So the abetment to suicide, which means that provoking some person, any person, that person commits suicide. Okay. So in that case, in 2018 itself, police registered an FIR against Arnab Goswami and many other teammates of Republic Channel. But at that very moment, they realized that this FIR doesn't pertain to abetment to suicide. So they filed a closure report before the magistrate. So now, what is
Okay.
closure report? When an FIR is registered against one person, and then police investigates into the matter, they find that these persons are innocent and they need not be like harassed in the trial, or because the trial is a prolonged process, that is why the trial should not take place. That's why they file a closure report. So it's an end of the matter against the said accused. But now, if
Correct.
you want to reinvestigate the matter or you want to reinterrogate the matter qua the accused, then you need a permission from the court, the magistrate, the concerned magistrate, that the FIR should be reopened, the investigation should be reopened, and then only a permission is given by the magistrate. At that very moment, the arrest can take place. But now, coming back to the present case, police has arrested Arnab Goswami, and Arnab Goswami was not aware why he has been arrested. He was said orally, he was the informed orally that there is so and so case which is pending against you of 2018, where closure report has been filed. He has been arrested with regard to that just because this is a cognizable offense in a non-bailable matter. So police is having the power to arrest in these sections. That's why he was arrested. Now comes to the writ of habeas corpus, which was filed before the High Court. So the Arnab Goswami, advocates of Arnab Goswami, filed a habeas corpus writ instead of a 439, which is a regular bail application. Why it is so? Why habeas corpus, 439 is replaced with a habeas corpus writ? Because as per the advocates, as per Arnab Goswami, this was an illegal arrest. And habeas corpus is a constitutional remedy which provides that if you have been arrested illegally, then you need to approach to the High Court directly by a habeas corpus writ, and the onus of proving why we have arrested him goes to the prosecution.
Okay.
Why High Court said, High Court, I am not commenting on the views taken by the High Court, but High Court at this juncture said that you cannot replace 439 bail application with a habeas corpus writ. Otherwise, the use of 439 would be infructuous, or there
All
would
right.
be, because any person would be coming directly to the High Court asking for a habeas corpus, illegal detention, then 439 will not be applicable in any case. But
Correct.
now the difference in this case is a closure report has already been filed. So the procedure says when a closure report is filed, I'm just repeating the thing. When a closure report is filed, at that moment, the police needs permission from the concerned magistrate or a concerned lower court like a sessions judge, a trial court. And then after the permission is granted, they can arrest. They are having this right to do so. But a lapse in the procedure has been done, and this lapse has approached, this lapse by the police provoked, or they have approached, the advocates of Arnab Goswami has approached Bombay High Court. And Bombay High Court said, no, you go to lower court and file your bail application there. There was a 56 pages judgment by the High Court reiterating these things. And after that, they have filed an appeal before the Supreme Court, before the Honorable Supreme Court. Justice Chandrachud Honorable Mr. Justice Chandrachud and Justice Indra Banerjee was there in the bench. They said whatever Mr. Salve was leading Arnab Goswami, and Mr. Abad Ponda was there, and Mr. Mukul Rogi for other accused, Mr. Vijay Agarwal for some other accused were there. So the main argument before the Supreme Court was whether the habeas corpus writ is maintainable or not. First thing, because at the preliminary stage, we just need to go on the maintainability part, that whether this bail application, the habeas corpus writ is at all maintainable or not. So prima facie, the Honorable Supreme Court finds that this habeas corpus writ is maintainable because there was a lapse in the procedure. That is why the Supreme Court, the Honorable Supreme Court, has granted Arnab Goswami an interim bail, and the matter is the leave is granted, matter is pending still. But on the merits of it, as per my limited understanding, that habeas corpus writ is very well maintainable, and 439 is a statutory provision where a person is arrested and the proper procedure is followed, then only you can go for a 439. But here in habeas corpus writ, you cannot go for the 439 because habeas corpus is an illegal detention. Illegal detention means that you just need to go directly to High Court or Supreme Court under Article 32 and file a habeas corpus writ saying that I have been detained illegally without following a proper procedure. That's the whole scenario of Arnab Goswami's case. I am not commenting on any of the merits of the case, but as of now, the abatement to suicide, if we see prima facie, this is not maintainable. Why? Because as per the complaint of the complainant only, as per the complaint which is there on record and in the judgment of High Court, which is in the public domain now, so as per the complainant's version itself, it was that a person like Arnab Goswami had to give some amount to him. Just because he has not given any amount, he has committed suicide. So I ask this question to myself now, whether this person, Arnab Goswami, the accused herein, is liable to be punished for an abetment to suicide. Abetment to suicide, just provoking someone to die, provoking someone. So
Right.
that is not the case here.
But as per what you've said, sir, the closure report has already been filed, right?
Yes.
In the 2018 case.
Yes.
So now, what is the status of the complaint with regards to the current scenarios and the developments in front of the
Correct.
Honorable
So
Supreme
the
Court?
procedure says when a closure report is filed, the complainant is to file an application to reinvestigate the matter, or a complainant needs to appeal before the appropriate authority that why the police has filed a closure report. That should have been done in the year 2018. So,
Correct.
so the procedure as per the CRPC is that when a closure report is filed, if you are aggrieved with a person, you file an application that you reinvestigate the matter. Closure report needs not be filed. The complainant need to assist the court with proper facts and circumstances, and then the court orders that okay, you reinvestigate the matter. Just because a closure report has been filed, you cannot do anything. No, this is not the scenario. You just reinvestigate the matter and then reinterrogate a person or accused. So as per the procedure enshrined in the CRPC, if you are aggrieved when a closure report is filed, you need to file an application before the concerned authority, adjudicating authority. Then only the matter will be heard.
Understood, sir. Thank you so very much.
I just want to add this thing also.
Yes, please.
Supreme Court asked a specific question with regard to this very question which you have asked, that when the closure report was filed, where were the complainants at that time? Why are you aggrieved now after 2 years? So the argument for the complainant was that they were not aware at all that there has been a closure report which has been filed, but unawareness is in law is not a ground. So that's
Correct.
the case as of now, because now matter is still pending. Arnab has got bail, but the matter is still pending. We should not comment on the merits of the case and the and the result which would be coming from the honorable adjudicating authorities, whether lower court or honorable high court or honorable Supreme Court.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much, sir. This has been extremely, extremely helpful, sir.
My pleasure. My pleasure.